Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, crypto updates, crypto announcement, and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day where I review token and talk about solid project shit coins. We are currently 4,830 subscribers. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. This is because when I drop interesting updates, I don't want you to miss out on them. So like I always do, from time to time I go on Reddit and I look at the new announcements, new tokens that are not popular, then I tell you guys about them. This is not a review video, this is just me bringing to your information this project so that you can go on to do your research, add them to your watch list, and know if you intend to invest in them in the future, or probably just want to know more about them. That being said, let's not waste time. The next token I'm going to be talking about is MetaHeist. MetaHeist. They said this is the first ever Meta and Heist token that gives 5% cake reward. Presale is live now. This was like 34 minutes ago. MetaHeist hype, 5% cake reward. MetaVerse NFT Collection, game token, and NFT Marketplace. Almost every shit meme token come up with the same MetaVerse NFT game token, whatever. It is hard for you to know a project that will succeed and the one that will fail. So you just have to treat every project like a rock pool, a honeypot, and until you are proven otherwise, right? MetaHeist is a new. They said MetaHeist is a new BSC token that is inspired by the newest Netflix trending show Money Heist and Meta from Facebook. It gives 5% cake reward and it has a promising roadmap. Public presale is now live on Bifrost. It is a new presale platform made by creators of Rainbow Token, which now has around $25 million to $30 million market cap. Yeah, I know Bifrost and I know Rainbow Token. Rainbow Token is a very good project to invest in. So guys, you guys can go on to check my review video on Rainbow Token, right? MetaHeist has partnered with Bifrost and the MetaHeist team, which will get them help in promoting their MetaHeist project. They said NFT Sneak Peek is like 48 hours from now. Total supply is 100. This is billion. Transaction fee is 15%. And this is, they explained the way they will be using it. 5% will go for cake reward, 4 liquidity, 3 for marketing, 3 liquidity. The development will collect 2. Team will collect 2% and development will collect 1%. Marketing plan, they showed you this is their roadmap, the collection, the marketplace, play to end game, and the MetaHeist METAVERSE. Everybody are just adding MetaVerse to whatever they are doing. Quite interesting. Additional information: 3% of the token will be for the Shillers. 3.25 will go for giveaway and competition. 5% of the token supply for partners. Well, basically this is what they are telling you guys that they'll be doing. Please make sure you do your own research. Like we always advise, I'm going to open this token in the official website and skim through the website. There's no contract address here. If there was, I'd have taken it to Poocoin.app to check, but guys, they are using the image of Money Heist. The name MetaHeist is actually very suspicious. This website there's an official contract address on this website. I'm going to copy this contract address, right, and go on to scan through this contract address. You guys need to be very careful. Be careful. Let me paste this contract address here and check through. This is not a review. When I'm reviewing this token, I'm going to take my time to do a more detailed review and stuff, but right now this is just me scamming through the token and telling you guys, updating you guys about this token. I'm going to check token sniffer too. Make sure you don't miss my review videos, because my review videos are more detailed and they are more direct. I know where I'm going to, I know what I'm looking for, so I don't even waste time, right? So I'll go on token sniffer, I paste this address here. Okay, it has not been named, but the address has been seen on token sniffer. Currently there's no liquidity, MetaHeist, there's no market cap. Anyway, they're just launching, so you guys should take your time, be patient, and just know that a token like this is going to be launching now very, very soon. And that being said, let me see, go back to the official, the information I get. No information, token sniffer, nothing for now, right? So let's keep moving. MetaHeist is the same thing that they posted on the same information they posted on Reddit is what is still on the official website, and there's no white paper here. There's no white paper. I think the team should work on a white paper. They should create a white paper, you know. That being said, I'm going to stop this video here. Now I know you guys have heard of MetaHeist.